In 2025, e-bikes have gotten lighter, faster, and smarter, with insane battery ranges, fat tires for stability, and motors that make climbing hills feel like riding on flat ground. Let's check out the top electric mountain bikes that are totally worth your money this year. Starting with the Tomafree electric bike, this thing is an absolute powerhouse, with motor options ranging from 1,200 watts to a jaw-dropping 5,800 watts. It's not just fast, it's borderline rocket-like on the trails. You get 5 power assist levels, so whether you're cruising leisurely or hitting full throttle downhill, there's a setting for every mood. It's got 21 speed or 7-speed gearing, plus a lockable suspension fork that makes rough terrain feel like smooth pavement. Real users love the long-range battery that can last up to 75 miles, meaning you can do a full-day adventure without worrying about running out of juice. The 24-inch and 26-inch wheels feel stable and responsive, so even tight turns on rocky trails feel manageable. If speed and off-road thrills are your thing, this one's insanely fun and addictive. Next is the Vivi 27.5-inch electric bike, which is like the perfect balance of power and comfort. It has a peak 1,000-watt motor paired with a 48-volt, 499.2 watt-hour battery, giving you up to 22 miles per hour and 50 miles per charge. It's UL certified, so it's safe as well as fast. Riders often say it's super light to handle, yet still strong enough for bumpy trails. The 21-speed gear system is smooth and responsive, so hills don't stand a chance, and you can adjust easily depending on the terrain. It's also quiet. No weird buzzing while you ride, just smooth electric power. Perfect for commuters who want speed or adventurers who want a long, worry-free ride. Looking for something for the younger riders? The VDL Mountain electric bike is perfect for teens ready to explore trails safely. With a 16-inch frame, fat tires, and 800-watt peak motor, it handles off-road bumps without tipping over. The removable battery and front fork suspension add convenience and comfort, and it hits up to 20 miles per hour with a 35-mile range, which is plenty for weekend adventures. Users love the wider seat for comfort and handlebar bag for storing gear, making it easy for teens to carry snacks, water, or even school essentials. Fat tires give a sense of security and stability, which is great for beginners learning trail riding. The eCotric 26-inch fat tire e-bike is for adults who want versatility without compromise. It's equipped with a 500-watt motor and 36-volt, 12.5 amp-hour battery, perfect for beach rides, snow, or forest trails. Shock absorption keeps bumps minimal, and the fat tires give incredible stability on tricky surfaces. It comes 90% pre-assembled, so you can literally open the box and ride. Riders rave about the smooth pedal assist, saying it feels like the bike helps you push harder without feeling like it's overpowering you. This one is perfect for people who want a no-hassle, all-terrain daily ride. Finally, the eBiko 29-inch electric mountain bike is a beast for commuters and trail lovers alike. Its 48-volt, 17.5 amp-hour battery paired with a 750 to 1,000-watt motor lets you reach up to 70 miles and 34 miles per hour, which is insane for daily rides or long weekend trips. It has 21-speed gearing, so you can tackle steep hills and still cruise flat streets efficiently. Users love how smooth and quiet the acceleration is, and how it handles mixed terrain with zero effort. It's UL certified, meaning it's safe even when you push it hard, and the long battery range means you can ride for hours without needing a recharge. Perfect for explorers who want endurance and thrill in one package. So that's it, the best electric mountain bikes of 2025. Whether you want raw power, all-day range, teen-friendly rides, or fat tire stability, there's an e-bike here for everyone. With these bikes, climbing hills feels easy, trails feel fun, and long rides feel effortless. Seriously, once you go electric, you won't want to go back to pedaling manually. Check out the description for links.